Your T-Mobile account is likely locked because you or someone else has entered the wrong password too many times. This is a security measure implemented by T-Mobile to protect your account from unauthorized access, such as brute force attacks. As of March 2026, T-Mobile's account lockout policy typically triggers after 5 consecutive failed login attempts within a 10-minute window. This is designed to prevent hackers from repeatedly guessing your password. When the system detects too many failed attempts, it automatically locks your account temporarily. Initially, the lockout lasts for 30 minutes, but it can escalate to longer durations, even up to 24 hours, if the failed attempts persist. You'll usually receive an SMS or email notification informing you about the lockout and providing options to unlock your account. T-Mobile also uses AI-driven anomaly detection to differentiate between real users and bot attacks, aiming to reduce false positives. Your T-Mobile account gets locked after 5 consecutive failed login attempts within a 10-minute window. The lockout starts at 30 minutes and can escalate up to 24 hours for repeated violations. You'll receive a notification via SMS or email with unlock options. One common way to unlock is through two-factor authentication. You'll receive a one-time verification code via SMS to your registered phone number. Simply enter this code in the login screen to confirm your identity and unlock your account. Another method is using an authenticator app. Apps like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator generate a time-sensitive code on your device. Open the app, enter the code on the login screen, and your account will unlock. Biometric confirmation is available if you've set it up on your device. Use your fingerprint or facial recognition to verify your identity quickly and unlock your T-Mobile account without entering codes. T-Mobile offers a self-service portal on their website for faster unlocking. Go to the site, access the portal, and verify your identity using personal details like the last 4 digits of your SSN or linked devices. This avoids calling customer support and resolves issues quickly. You'll receive SMS or email notifications when your account is locked, including unlock instructions. If you encounter persistent issues, additional recovery options are available through T-Mobile support. SIM swapping is a dangerous type of fraud where attackers hijack your phone number to bypass two-factor authentication and gain access to your accounts. In SIM swapping, attackers contact your mobile carrier pretending to be you, providing some personal information to convince the carrier to transfer your phone number to a new SIM card they control. Once they have your phone number, attackers can intercept two-factor authentication codes sent via SMS, allowing them to break into your online accounts, including banking and email. T-Mobile protects against SIM swapping by requiring a PIN code for any SIM card changes. This additional verification step makes it much harder for attackers to successfully hijack your number. To keep your account secure and prevent SIM swapping, always protect your PIN code and be cautious of any suspicious requests for your personal information. Never share details like your address or date of birth with unverified callers. By maintaining strong account security, you help prevent unauthorized SIM changes that could otherwise lead to account lockouts and potential fraud. Besides forgetting your password, common reasons for lockouts include traveling internationally, changing devices frequently, or using shared IP addresses like in apartment complexes. To avoid unnecessary lockouts, ensure you remember your password, update your recovery information regularly, and consider using a password manager. If traveling internationally, be prepared for potential 2FA verification challenges and have backup methods in place. If you've tried the self-service options and still can't unlock your account, contact T-Mobile customer support. Be prepared to verify your identity with personal details like the last 4 digits of your SSN or information about linked devices. In some cases, you may need to visit a T-Mobile store for in-person verification, especially if your account has been flagged for suspicious activity. T-Mobile is continuously enhancing its security measures to stay ahead of evolving threats. Expect increased integration of biometrics, like facial recognition, for seamless and secure access. AI will dynamically adjust lockout thresholds based on user behavior, making security smarter and less disruptive. Regulatory pressures and emerging threats like ransomware are driving the industry towards more proactive authentication methods. This includes decentralized authentication, such as blockchain-based verification, for enhanced protection. These advancements aim to make account security more user-friendly and effective, reducing both breaches and unnecessary lockouts.